So this is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our USD Swiss franc. So first and first, those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, let's start with our trend. Remember the rules of trading. You need to know your trend. You need to trade with the trend. So first, know your trend. Second, trade with the trend. Now, with this our daily time frame, what can we say our trend is on our USD Swiss franc? It is very clear that USD Swiss franc right here, overall trend is on a downtrend move. Remember, we have the overall trend, which is the main trend, and we also have the current trend. So the main trend, which is a downtrend move, right? Now, if you have to zoom it in, you'll see the current trend right here, which is also a downtrend move. At first, previously, this trend was trending to the upside, right? It was trending upward before market did give us a double top, which indicates reversal movement. Then market dropped to break the neckline, right? It broke the neckline, eventually it does not drop. This is the pullback, which is the lower high. Now market will just form. So we should be expecting market to drop again to form a new lower low, thereby taking out this low. So we will be anticipating for a new lower low on USD Swiss franc. So we should be expecting USD Swiss franc to drop to form a new lower low, thereby taking out this low. So whatever you would want to be doing on your USD Swiss franc, you would want to be going in for the sell. So a bearish move for the day is what we are going to be expecting. Now, if you can go in for the sell and hold yourself for the next 1 or 2 weeks, right? So you should be anticipating this movement for the next 2 weeks, right? That will be giving us between 80 plus pips. So we should be targeting between 7 to 9 days on your USD Swiss franc. That is between 1 to 2 weeks, right? We should expect market to drop and form a new low. So this is one of the reasons why you need to go in for the sell and hold your sell position. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the next updates. Like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.